What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to install on this old computer Linux operation system. For this video tutorial I'm going to be using Ubuntu. We need to open our internet browser and we need to go to ubuntu.com, and I'll put a link in the description below, and I'm going to download 20.04. Once you get to this page, it's going to start automatically. Right here we're going to save the file, and then we're going to click OK. And while it's downloading Ubuntu, we need to download one more program to create bootable USB flash drive. It's called Rufus, and I will also put link in the description below. Once you get to this page, scroll down, and right here is a downloader. I'm just going to use portable version, and I'm going to click Save File. Once the download is complete, now plug in your flash drive into your computer. And then we need to go to the downloads. I'm just going to open File Explorer and I'm going to click on Downloads. And right here, I'm going to double click on Rufus. And right here, I'm just going to click No for now. And once you get this window, we need to choose our flash drive minus 32 gig. And then in here, we need to click on Select. We need to choose our image, navigate to your downloads. And in here, we need to choose our Ubuntu, the one we just downloaded, and then click on Open. And in here, I'm going to leave everything as default, and then I'm going to click on Start. And if you get this message, just click on Yes. And in here, leave everything as default, and then click OK. And then this message is basically telling you that all data on your flash drive will be destroyed. Just click OK. And now we just have to wait until it's going to create bootable flash drive. Once the process is complete here, you can click on Close, and then you can navigate to this PC, right click and eject the drive. Plug in your flash drive into your laptop or desktop, then power on your computer, and while it's booting, you have to press F12 or boot into the boot menu. On some computers, it could be Escape. On Dell, it's F12. Once it's going to boot into the boot menu, we need to choose right here, USB storage device, and then press Enter. Once it's booted into your flash drive, right here there are two options: try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. Try Ubuntu, basically this is going to be like a live demo. You can play with it, you can see if you like it or not, and once you shut down your computer, Ubuntu will be gone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install actual Ubuntu. I'm going to leave English, and you can choose any other languages, and then click on Install Ubuntu. Right here, I'm going to leave everything as default, and then I'm going to click Continue. And right here, we can either connect to Wi-Fi or we can skip this part. I'm going to leave I don't want to connect to Wi-Fi right now, and then I'm going to click on Continue. And in here, you can leave everything as default as well, and then click on Continue. We're going to do normal installation. And right here, we need to choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. So that way, it's going to basically delete everything out of your hard drive, and it's going to be a clean install. And then click on Install Now. And then click Continue here. And now we need to choose our time zone and then click Continue. We need to come up with a username. I'm just going to type owner for now. And right here, this screen, I'm going to click on Login automatically. And then we need to type our password and then click on Continue. And that's it. Now we just have to wait until it's going to install Ubuntu on your laptop or desktop computer. Once the installation is complete, we need to click on Restart Now, and we can pull out the flash drive. And then press Enter. Once your computer reboots, and now you can enjoy Linux OS on your laptop or desktop computer. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.